Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to draw this sketch exercise, and we will draw these lines and arcs, and we will apply the dimensions and relations, and we will make this sketch fully fine. And before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. So let's get started as soon as it's possible. Here I have the solidworks open. For creating a new part, just click on new part. Okay, now we have a new part. First thing first, for drawing the sketch you have to choose a plane, and in solidworks we have three standard plane: front plane, top plane, and right plane, or we can create plane in solidworks. But for now, just click on the front plane. I will tell you what's the use of these planes, but for now just click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have open a sketch. You can see the sketch here. First thing first, you have to draw a center line, a horizontal center line. So here I choose center line, and you can see as I get close to the origin point, an orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this orange point, the center line will be connected to the origin point. So here I draw a center line, and you can see as I move the center line, the yellow symbol here appears. It means that if I click on the screen here, if I click on the screen, the horizontal relation will be applied to my line, and my line will be horizontal. So I click on the screen and I right click, select to exit the tool. If you can't see the relations or the dimensions, just come in hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the relations or the dimensions. So you can see the green symbols here, the relations. And now we have to draw two circles. So here I choose a circle, and I mostly use a 2-point circle, and I start drawing the circle from the origin point. So you can see the orange point here, and I draw the circle here, and I draw another one at the end of the center line, and I right click, select to exit the tool. Here I choose a smart dimension, and the dimension of the circle here is 10 millimeter, and the dimension of the circle here is 5 millimeter, and the dimension of the center line, the dimension from the center point to the center point is 20 millimeter. So here I choose the center line and I give it 20 millimeter dimension. Now all we have to do is just draw two arcs, and I choose a 3-point arc, and I draw two arcs at the both side of my sketch, and I right click, select. Here I choose a smart dimension. The radius of the arc here is 10 millimeter, and the radius of this one is 5 millimeter. And okay, the center of the arc here must be merged to the center of the circle here. So for doing that, just hold the control button and choose these two entities, the arc here and the circle. And here in add relation, give it concentric relation, and the center of these two entities will be merged. And I do the same thing here, concentric relation. And I have to just connect these two arcs to each other. So here I choose line, and I connect these 2 points, and I do the same thing here. And now I have to draw a center line. So here I choose center line, and I connect these 2 points. Okay. And the center line here must be vertical, and for doing that I just click on the center line, and in add relation I give it vertical relation. And the center line, you can see my sketch is still moving, and my sketch is not fully defined because the entities are blue, and you can see the sketch is moving. And for doing that, just choose the center line and the origin point here, sorry. Again, choose the center line and the origin point here, and in add relation give it coincidence relation. And the lines must be tangent to the arc here. So for choose the line here and the arc here, and in add relation give it tangent relation, and do the same thing here. So you can see my sketch is turning to black, and now my sketch is fully fine. You can see my sketch is fully fine. Giving relation and dimension is very important, because if you give the right dimension or the relation, your sketch won't be fully defined, or your sketch will be even underdefined, or no solution. So please practice at home and do it yourself, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your comments. Thanks for watching this video.